Hi everyone, I am Tanga Jesudaris, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Now we are going to discuss about ratio analysis. Let us understand the meaning of ratio and ratio analysis and why it is prepared in the business and it is important in the business. What do you mean by ratio? Ratio is an expression of one number in relation to another. Ratio analysis means the process of computing, determining, and presenting the relationship of related items and group of items of financial statement. They provide a summarized and concise form of fairly good idea about the financial position of an unit. They are important tools for the financial analysis. So ratio expresses the mathematical and quantity relationship between two items in accounting. Ratio is defined as quantity relationship between two or more items of the financial statement connected with each other. So financial statement is nothing but companies, balance and profit and loss accounts. இப்போ ரேஷியோ வந்து எதுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு கம்பெனியில் உள்ள ப்ராஃபிட்டபிலிட்டி பொசிஷனும் அண்ட் லிக்விடிட்டி அண்ட் சால்வன்சி பொசிஷன் பெட்டராக இருக்கான்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்காகவும் ரெண்டு ஐட்டம்ஸோட ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்காகவும் ரேஷியோ வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் ரேஷியோ. சால்வன்சி ஆர் லிக்விடிட்டி ரேஷியோ, ப்ராஃபிட்டபிலிட்டி ரேஷியோ, ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஆர் டர்ன் ஓவர் ரேஷியோ. Liquidity means any asset which can easily converted to cash. எக்ஸாம்பிள் இருந்து என்ன சொல்லலாம், ஸ்டாக், பாண்ட் சொல்லலாம். ஷார்ட் டர்ம் ரேஷியோ அண்ட் லாங் டர்ம் ரேஷியோ. ப்ராஃபிட்டபிலிட்டி ரேஷியோல கிராஸ் ப்ராஃபிட் ரேஷியோ, நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் ரேஷியோ, ஆப்ரேட்டிங் ப்ராஃபிட் ரேஷியோ, ஆப்ரேட்டிங் ரேஷியோ. Profitability ratio. Profitability ratio are those ratios which are used to determine the profitability of efficiency of the business concern. Profitability ratio are mainly used by owners of the business. The ratios are related to sales and computed to evaluate the operational efficiency of the business concern. Next one is activity or turnover ratio. Stock turnover ratio, debtors turnover ratio, creditors turnover ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, capital turnover ratio. Turnover ratio is also called as activity ratio. It is prepared to know about the operating efficiency of the business. So to show whether the business the properly managing its inventory resource and all its debtors and creditors, whether it is properly managing or not, whether it is improving efficiency level or not, all those things we are discussing in turnover ratio. Now we are going to see about the liquidity ratio. Liquidity, solvency or liquidity ratio. Solvency and liquidity are both terms that refer to an enterprise's state of financial health. Liquidity refers to enterprise's ability to short-term obligation. Solvency to enterprises capable to meet its long-term financial commitments. Solvency or liquidity ratios are denoted terms of ratio or proportion. What we mean by liquidity ratio? Every company has certain short-term obligation in their business. So whether they have sufficient cash, sufficient current asset to pay all the short-term obligation, for that purpose we calculate the liquidity ratio. Now let us discuss about the some important current ratio, the liquidity ratios. First one, current ratio. Second, quick ratio or acid test ratio or liquid ratio. Third one is absolute liquid ratio. So first, understanding what you mean by liquidity ratio. The difference between current asset and current liability is known as working capital. It is most common ratio for measuring liquidity. In other words, it shows the ability of the concern meet all current obligation as and whether this or do you during the short-term capital period. Okay, this is ratio is also known as working capital ratio. Current ratio formula is current asset divided by current liability. Current asset. Current asset means those assets which can be converted into cash immediately within accounting year. So we converted those assets into cash immediately. Current asset includes debtors, stock, bills receivable, bank and cash balance, prepaid expenses, income due, and short-term investment. Next one is next discuss the current liabilities. Current liabilities, those liabilities which are to be paid within accounting year. Within that year, have to paid liabilities, those short-term obligation. So current liabilities includes current creditors, bank overdraft, bills payable, outstanding expenses, income receivable in advance, etc. Ideal time is equal to 2:1. Next one is liquid ratio. Liquid ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liabilities. Quick asset means those current assets which are quality quickly and readily convertible into cash. Quick asset comprise cash in hand, cash at bank, quick debts, bills receivable, etc. Cash is the most liquid assets, and this ratio is also known as quick ratio or liquid ratio or near money ratio. Quick asset includes all current assets except stock and prepaid expenses. Quick asset total liquid ratio ideal ratio 1:1. Now let us see a problem. A balance sheet in given. From it we were required to find current ratio and liquid ratio. Let us go to code into the problem. And liabilities and asset side. Okay. Liability side. Quick equity capital 1,50,000, revenue reserves 30,000, 8% of debentures 20,000, current liability sundry creditors 49,000. Asset side fixed asset 1,62,000, current asset stock 22,000, debtors 51,000, bills receivable 2,000, bank 12,000. Amount tally 2 lakh amount total amount 2,49,000. So current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Here the current assets, stock, debtors, bills receivable, bank. So 22,000 plus 51,000 plus 2,000 plus 12,000 is equal to amount 87,000. So then current liability is equal to sundry creditors 49,000. Sundry creditors 49,000. In this problem only sundry creditors is given in the liability side. Current ratio is equal to 87,000 divided by 49,000 is equal to 1.78:1. Next, liquidity ratio. Let's find out the liquidity ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability. Quick asset is equal to current asset minus stock is equal to 87,000 minus 22,000 is equal to 65,000. Quick asset amount 65,000. Current liability also known as is equal to 49,000. Liquid ratio is equal to 65,000 divided by 49,000. 1.33:1. Hope this video have been much useful for you. Thank you.